Hi, my name is Barb Huffman. I'm the Associate Director of Financial Aid at Kettering. And actually, I will be celebrating 24 years of service in January. So I've been here a long time. I've always enjoyed working for Kettering. It's a small community, small campus, so it's like a family. And actually, my son graduated from here in 2010. And my uncle graduated many years ago when it was still GMI. So I definitely have connections to the university. As associate director, I have a lot of different job responsibilities. I load in the FAFSAs, the applications you complete. I process I process the government loans, that type of thing. But I think the main part of my job that I do, where you and I could interact, is we have a process called a special consideration. And I handle those, and that's to work with families. As an example, when you do the FAFSA, it's asking for your income from 2 years ago. So maybe this current year, you might have lost your job. So that's what we would call a special consideration. So I've worked with many families, and the reason for that is to hopefully give the students additional financial aid. So, um, like I said, I've worked with many families, many students. I really enjoy that part of my job. And I look forward to working with you with any questions you might have. Thank you.
My name is Rebecca Pradone, and I'm the Financial Aid Officer for students whose last names begin with A through K. I've worked at Kettering since December 2008, and what I like most about Kettering is our small size, which allows us to get to know our students and colleagues. As a Financial Aid Officer, I'll be able to assist you with any questions or concerns relating to filing the FAFSA, the status of your financial aid file, and applying for and accepting awards. I look forward to meeting you soon.
Hi, my name is Rachel Tedov, and I'm the Financial Aid Officer that works with students with the last names that begin with L through C. I have worked with the university since October 2010, and what I enjoy most is being able to establish relationships with students and their parents from their freshman year until they graduate. I'll be able to help you and your parents with questions regarding your FAFSA, the status of your financial aid file, how to accept your financial aid awards, and a variety of other questions that might arise over the next few years. I grew up down the street from the university, and both my brother and my stepdad are KU graduates. And I'm really proud to say that my oldest daughter is currently a proud Kettering Bulldog. I look forward to working with you.
Hi, my name is Angel Morrow. Soon I'll be Angel Boone. I've been at Kettering University for almost 3 years now. I am the Financial Aid Administrative Assistant. So that means I sit out at the front desk and I answer a main phone line. So when you come in person or you call our main phone number, usually I'm the one that you're going to speak with first. I have 2 dogs. We love going camping. I live in the Davison-Lapeer area, and we are currently doing a house remodel, so that takes up a lot of my time. If you have any questions about financial aid and how that'll work here at Kettering, or just general FAFSA questions, please make sure you reach out to our office. We'd love to help you.